In this video, we're going to make a procedural planet with geometry nodes. I'm using a text-to-speech tool, so sorry for the audio quality. Sebastian Legge made a Unity tutorial about that, and I'm going to shamelessly copy his method to Blender. I myself don't code, but his videos are very interesting and I highly recommend you to check him out. Link will be in the description. In Geometry Nodes, create a new Geometry Nodes tree. We don't need the group input, let's add a cube and connect to the resolution. We can now control the resolution from the Modifier tab. Add set position and normalize to get a sphere. That basically divides every vector by its length, making a unit sphere. We want to add noise, so we'll use another set position. It's gonna work by stacking noise textures with increasing roughness and decreasing strength. By scaling the normalized position with a noise texture and plugging to the offset, we move each point by a random value in its direction. I used a map range to get control over the noise's strength. Set the scale to 2 and the detail to 4, and add control with the group input. I've found a roughness of 0.22 to work best. Duplicate the noise, triple the roughness and multiply the strength by 0.4. We'll add that to the original noise and repeat, adding a noise with triple the roughness and 0.4 strength. Now we'll add water. For that we'll need the original sphere, and a set position with a scale on the position, plug to the offset, call that water level and join the geometry. On the next video we'll add different kinds of mountain and work on the terrain.